So today we're going to talk about Coursera, and it's a website for affordable online courses. And we're going to be talking about, we're going to first have an intro about the Coursera, and we're going to talk about how to access the website. We're going to talk about how to sign up and enroll. And lastly, we're going to have some topics about alternative programs to Coursera. So introduction to Coursera. Coursera is a global online learning platform that offers affordable remote access to online courses and degrees from leading universities and companies. Coursera partners with over 200 educational and corporate institutions to bring online learning to individuals and organizations around the world. From hands-on projects and courses to job-ready certificates and degree programs. 82 million learners, more than 100 Fortune 500 companies, and more than 6,000 campuses, businesses, and governments come to Coursera to access world-class learning. Oh, here we go. And some of the topics are broken down into Coursera. So these are the topics that you can choose in the website. There's data science, business, computer science, personal development, information technology, language learning, health, math and logic, social sciences, physical science, and engineering, and art and humanities. There are some pros and cons. So the pros are there's more than 7,000 world-class course offerings from institutions like Google, Duke University, HEC Paris, and more. It's all remote, no need to go in person, it's online. There's 1,700 free courses, and you can sign up for multiple different courses and learn at your own pace. But some of the cons are some courses and programs are more expensive than others. Some courses may require prior knowledge, not always beginner friendly, and it's not suited for those who don't do well with independent learning. Okay, so accessing the website. You can click the link in here, or you can just type Coursera in the Safari or Google or Firefox, whatever web browser you use. And you type Coursera, it's going to pop out in the search engine. So to access it, when you get into Coursera, you can explore in the search bars for specific topics. And you can also explore online degrees, careers, or universities. So if you have like a special interest in economics and you feel like Wharton from University of Pennsylvania, you think it's a very prestige, then you can search for the universities and maybe there's courses for that. And then you can sign up or connect with a dedicated course for your business. And then when you scroll down, you can see more information. There's they have like these get job ready for an in-demand career section, and there's also a section for specific degrees that if you want to have a degree in business or in data science or in art and science, you can also find that. And then there's also a section for just the categories, the 11 topics that we just talked about. They also organized it in such a way that you don't have to worry about other things. You just worry about what's your interest, and you click into it, and there's all these courses that's related to this specific topic. And also there's thousands of institutions use Coursera's enterprise offering. So based on what you like, or based on what you hover your mouse over, you are able to view the different degrees and certificates for a career, learning a new skill, or trying to learn an educational degree. So if you hover your mouse right now, I'm in the presentation, but if you're on the website, if you hover your mouse on that specific link, it's going to pop out degrees and certificates that's related to this specific subject. And if you are looking to complete an online degree, you can enter the information relevant to your experience and then click See Programs. So basically, if I haven't have a bachelor degree, but I don't want to go to an actual college, but I do want a bachelor degree. So you can just put it into I1A and then you put in bachelor's degree and it'll search up all the relevant degrees they offer in this website. And you can also learn as accredited professional certificate in your preferred field. And there's a 7-day free trial, and it starts at $39 USD or 49 Canadian dollar per month. So we're going to talk about how to sign up and enroll. So first you would want to click the join for free, and then you enter your full name, your email address, and you can create a password between 8 to 72 characters. And if you already have a Google or Facebook account, you can sign up using either account. So it would be a lot easier if you use your prior Google account, since you would just have direct access to it. And you can add your current work experience, education, or career goal to receive a personalized recommendations based on this information. This step is optional. You can select skip if you do not want to receive recommendations. So for example, if I'm a student and I want a more personalized recommendation for me, I would just fill in relevant information about myself, and the result that pops out would most likely be the things that I'm interested in. So after you do that, you will be sent to your account dashboard, and you can make changes to your account, access courses that are in progress or completed, and also see recommendations based on your career or educational goals. And if you continue to scroll down, you will be able to view more recommendations of courses. So from the homepage, you can search for a specific course or explore the recommendations. For this example, I will be entering free Excel in the search box on the left, and click on the magnifying glass. So, and then I would be looking through the all the available courses. And if I'm interested, I will be clicking on it. So you can see here are all the Excel courses that I can take. And right here, I can see all the reviews and about this course. So there's a specific person who's teaching this course, and I would be able to see that from the overview of this course. And when I'm ready to enroll, I would just go enroll free, because this course is free. After you have enrolled into the course, you would be given a project overview of the course you will take. And whenever you are ready to begin, you can select Get Started. And you can even set a weekly goal for yourself. And obviously, these are optional. It's just to have something to look at, to set some goals so you can follow them in a more productive and efficient way. And you can look at grades, notes, and forums and messages, and more on the left while you complete the course. And in the course, of course, there's videos, right? On the interface of the course, there's a web page on the left and an instructional video on the right. So you can click the leave session. So you can log into your account to continue the course. If you didn't have time at one point, you can just log out. And then if you find yourself free and you have another time, you can just log back in a later time and click anywhere on the course to access it. And once you have complete the course, you'll earn a certificate that's authorized. And there's the Coursera Plus, which offers Coursera Plus is an optional paid subscription for unlimited access to all Coursera's courses, projects, and certificate programs, more than 7,000 of them. And you can earn unlimited certificates. It's a 7-day free trial, and then a Canadian dollar is 74 per month, or 502 per year with 14-day money back guarantee. So if between those 14 days, you suddenly decide that you don't want to take it, you can get your money back. And there's alternative programs, which is Masterclass, Skillshare, and EDX, and Udemy. And I'm going to go into the live demo, even though I'm kind of already am. But now we can start in the beginning. So if I go into data analysis, and I might want to, well, okay, so I'm going to use the same example as before. So the free Excel. And let's say I want to get into this. Since I'm already signed in, I don't have to do anything else. But if I'm not signed in, I would have to log in or sign up. So for this one, I would have to type my name and my email and create a password. But since I already have an account, I can just continue with my Google, which I presume that all of you have already set up an email. And if not, you can still use your name and type in the email right here. But I'm pretty sure most of us have the Gmail or Facebook. And then we go in here. And let's say I do want to learn Excel, how to use Excel. So I'm going to type in free Excel. And I clicked in it. So right here I see what the things that I can learn from this course. So I'll be able to learn how to create an Excel spreadsheet, learn how to maneuver over the spreadsheet for data entry, create simple formulas, and showcase this hands-on experience in an interview. So these are all the descriptions of this specific course. And as I have mentioned before, here's some of the reviews I can look at. Right here. And then once I've looked over this, I feel that this course is helpful. So I'm going to enroll it for free. And I'm in. And right here, it pops up with a notification telling me to set a weekly goal. And of course, I can do that. If not, if I don't want to set a weekly goal, I can just click not now. But let's say I want to set a weekly goal of learn 5 days a week. So I'm going to set the goal. And then I'm going to also set a schedule. So I feel like I'm most productive at night. So I'm going to say from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And I can add to Google Calendar, which is associated with, because when I logged in, I used my Gmail. But if I used another email or another platform to log in, for example, Facebook, I would just click other calendar, right? And then, of course, it gives you like a download form to do that. But wait, where did I go? But you can always just use the Google Calendar if you used your Gmail. Has a free message right here. So I can simply start by just clicking Get Started. And I can just scroll down. And once I have finished reading this, I click Mark as Complete. And I go to the next item. And there's an honor code you have to sign. Of course, integrity is very important. So once I agree to it, I can get started. And it gives you like a tour to get started. But right now, I'm gonna close this. And as I have mentioned before, if for whatever reason in the middle of your class you decide to so right now I can play the video.
Hello, and welcome to the guided project, Introduction to Basic Excel. My name.
And if for any reasons you have to leave in between the class, you can just click leave session and you'll be able to log out again and to do whatever you have to do. But let's say I closed it, right? And I want to go back to that. So I would just go back to Coursera. I'll click I'll click the link again, and I'll log in again. But usually it'll already have a record of you logging into that website, so you don't have to redo the process of logging in again. And since in my dashboard, it already has a record of me clicking into the introduction to Microsoft Excel. I'll just click it, and I'll be able to resume what I've already what I was leaving behind. Okay, so this is the end of the presentation. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Senior mentor, you can go to the cyberseniors.org or call this number to register for a one-on-one phone session. And we also host a drop-in session from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern time every Thursday. And yes,